Corn silk is the hair that you find under the husk of the corn. The corn silk can be used either fresh or dried. After consuming the corn, a lot of people throw away the corn silk. Unknown to them lies many health benefits. Corn silk is a type of natural fiber used as herbal remedy for a variety of ailments. Examples are bladder infections, inflammation of the urinary system, inflammation of the prostate, kidney stone, bedwetting, heart failure, diabetes, high blood pressure, fatigue, and weight loss. You can see how important corn silk is. I bet you will be regretting dumping them earlier. Well, it's not too late to start enjoying the health benefits of corn silk now. Follow these steps to learn how to create your own corn silk tea at home. Ingredients needed are 1 tablespoon of fresh or dried corn silk, 1 cup of boiled water, sieve or filter, honey, teacup or glass mug with cover. Procedures to prepare: put 1 tablespoon of corn silk into 1 teacup or glass mug of boiled water. Cover it and allow the corn silk to steep for 10 minutes. After that, strain out the corn silk with the aid of your filter or sieve to extract only the water to another teacup. Add honey if desired to sweeten it. Instructions: allow to cool before drinking. Take this 3 times daily.
Thanks for watching this video, and I hope you won't forget to hit that subscribe button and tickle the bell to get more updates. Bye guys, and stay safe.